In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Gemini subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect on your screen, so the process feels simple and predictable. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct profile where the subscription is active. If you use more than one login, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, head straight to Settings. Depending on your device, settings may appear as a gear icon or as a labeled menu item, typically found in the top corner or within your profile section. Inside settings, look for the area that relates to your plan. When your account has an active plan, you'll see an option labeled Manage Subscription. That's the control center for changing or ending your membership. If your account isn't subscribed to any plan, the page may look different and you may not see that Manage Subscription link. That simply means there's no active membership to cancel in this account. If you do see Manage Subscription, go ahead and click it. This will open the page with your current plan details, including your billing period and renewal information. Take a moment to read what's shown there so you understand whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your current cycle. This is helpful if you're timing your cancellation around a renewal date. Next, select Cancel Membership. When you choose this, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Click Cancel to proceed. At this stage, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the cancellation. The prompts may ask for a brief reason or remind you what you'll lose access to once the membership ends. Read each screen carefully so there are no surprises. If you're on a free trial, note that cancellation might end access right away, whereas paid plans often continue until the period ends. When the prompts finish, you should see a confirmation on the screen indicating your membership has been cancelled. You can return to settings to verify the status has changed and that the Manage Subscription area reflects the cancellation. It's a good practice to keep that confirmation visible for a moment and, if you like, note your end date for your own records. That's it. Open your Gemini account, go to Settings, choose Manage Subscription, click Cancel Membership, confirm cancel, and follow the on-screen prompts. With those clicks, you're all set. Thanks for watching and take care.